I'm Esther and I belong to a middle class Christian family. I was the youngest of the three daughters, and once me and my middle sister we were playing in the balcony, and she was not old enough to realize what will happen afterwards. I got scared and I fall off the first floor, and then my parents took me to the hospital. And for 6 hours I was unconscious, and my parents were scared, and the rest of the family as well. They were scared that when their daughter will come to the consciousness, so she might lose her hands or her feet, or maybe she couldn't walk, or maybe other things could happen. So they were just praying to God that may get with all consciousness, otherwise they know that their daughter will be suffering a lot throughout the life if any of these situations happen. So they were so scared and they were just praying and praying all those 6 hours. But then what happened? There was a miracle. I was just walking. I went off my bed and my father was out of the hospital's ward. He was just very upset and he was standing over there. And I walked out of the ward. Finding my father, my mother was busy in some other things, getting the medicines and the rest of the things. So when I reached my father was facing towards against me, and I pulled his shirt. And when he saw me, his heart was full of thankfulness to God that my daughter is all fine. She's walking, she's conscious, she could speak, she could recognize me, and the rest of the family was very happy. So we always remember that even as a miracle to my life was saved with the prayers and by the grace of God.